Hello, Chelby. Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes. How are you, Charlie?
Good. How are you?
Yeah, I am good. Thank you for asking me. Let's start. Can you share me your Monday setup? And I want to check out what you have done and what you are looking help.
Sure.
Thank you.
Can you see my screen okay?
Yes.
So what I'm really looking for is like pretty much like on-demand support as I'm trying to build out our CRM. Just when I run into things that I don't know how to fix, I've been trying to teach myself how to build this. Um, and I'm running into problems, and I'm having to kind of research why things aren't working the way I need them to. And what I'm looking for is somebody I can just jump on like this, and on an ad hoc basis to say, I'm struggling because, you know, I want this to be the same as this, but it's not working properly. And the boards that I've created aren't linking properly. And I don't know why. Those are the kind of issues that I'm having. I
Mhm.
currently have, a contacts board, a deals board, and an activities board, but the activities board is really like, I'm really struggling with it. So I just need an expert who can just help me troubleshoot and find solutions quickly, um, so that I can get the best out of Monday for this usage.
Mhm. Okay, at this time, what you are facing in the all-round activities board? Or like you have create contacts deals board and activity board, so let me know what you are facing so then I can help you.
So an example might be, if I'm in the let's say this contacts board,
Mm,
this should link to the deals board. uh,
mm,
and I'm trying to think of a good example of I've got to find a good record. Hold on.
mhm.
Uh,
Already you have connected this board with the deal board.
well, yes, I think so. But for example, like I want this company. This is the person, and this is their company, and then there's a deal associated with the company. But I think it should link. Um,
Mhm.
but then I have to retype it in to this cell as well. So there's just some things I'm confused about. Um, like I should have made a list, but really my objective was just to find somebody I can just, when I do find particular problems, I can just kind of say, all right, I'm trying to solve this. What do I do? Um, so like the activities, I really don't know how to use it properly.
Mm,
Um, so that I'm basically getting the value, or me and my very small team can kind of use it consistently, um, and get the best out of it.
mhm. Okay, in the account activity you have activity name, go back, activity type, owner status, related item, contacts. Related item, which board you have connect in related item property section?
Um, so this, you're talking about this field here.
Hmm. Yes,
This,
yes.
sorry. It looks like this field related item.
Leads, deals, actually, like here you have connect all boards.
Yeah.
But maybe you should do one of them that you need. Which board you want to connect here?
This things I don't really know. Like
Mm-hmm.
this is the that I don't know if this is like this is the activities board. I'm a bit confused. These records here, where it says like David Goldberg email, is that auto generated? Like I don't know why it says why the activity.
Mm-hmm. First of all, Charlie, you should to identify your problem, like which you are facing. Then I can help you.
Okay.
Yes, yeah. Like first of all, you should to find your problem, then send me your problem in a Google Docs or chat message. Then I will record Loom video or text message briefing. Like I will confirm like, "Hi Charlie, you are looking this." So once you confirm, then we will go ahead on the final meeting.
Can I ask you, in terms of my workflow, this is a new record that I just created. So
Mhm.
I have a new contact and I create them in contacts first and then try and pull this data into activities, or I put them in here and I click here. This page here says when I open it in contacts, it opens contact page.
Mm.
And then if I add the activity here, this is going to show up in the activities page. Is that correct? Is that the right workflow?
And this activity will be show here in this board, not any other board.
So when I go to if I want to look at this person, this record, and
Mm-hmm.
see all of the activity associated with them, how do I do that?
Uh, Even this is like first person, and you have connected deals like visible company name and name this. So when you open, so their activities will be show here, like their chat message and other column selected.
But that is not the same because the interface looks so similar. So this is not the same. If I look at the same record in activities and I search for uh, let me pick one. So if I search for this person, this is the deal associated with this contact, correct?
Mm-hmm.
But there's nothing in this activity here. But when I go to activities and I
Like
see,
when you open this, their activity will be show here in the side, right side. Like here name, active type, owner, start date.
so let me go back to,
Like there all performance and activity will be show here.
this is not, okay, so these fields here, last in, because this first information, this is, this is a contact record, the deal, company, there's not
Mhm.
activity. Are you saying that these fields here pull from activities?
Mhm. First of all, you should to go on activity board and connect this board. Like connect this item board, then it will be show here.
How do I do that? By going up here,
Go back,
go back.
cut, cut this screen pop up. And this is contact list. In the contact board, you want to show activities information, right?
So this here linked to
Uh-huh.
activities.
Okay, click here, activities, setting, customize connect board, and activity around CRM. Okay, all
That's this.
right. Okay, okay, this is perfect. So add a mirror column. Activity type, select which one you want to show.
So this information, when the pop-up comes, this will be displayed on that pop-up.
Yes, you can show here like a name, status, group, something.
Uh,
Maybe name will be
I
go
like
on.
I like the fields that were already showing, like last message, next, what you have to do
Mhm.
next, or the date.
Mhm.
Is
Go
that okay?
uh, Charles, go back on the activity around board.
On the activity, yeah, okay.
Yes, here activity name. So go on now, go back contact.
But this is, I don't know what this is, what this means. Is this the last activity that happened for this contact? Was an email? I don't know
This is
why.
activity type like in which type of this activity you have received through message, email, call, summary, something. This is lead. Go back on
I
the
think that's the other thing. I don't think this is like if so if I want to kind of make a note
mm,
or and I don't see note as a
add label,
where is it?
add new one.
So if I hit activity type done, yeah, this is kind of like a problem. What I would do here is go like this, and then got note over here. This is why I'm
Mm.
confused. And then I can say sent Josh. And I hit add. But this activity type, I don't know what this is, because this is the activity that we just did. I think it's a
In the activity type, this is status section, not anymore. So in the activity type, we can just use the status. So here you are just using the chat messages section, like send a message, mention someone. And this is not connect activity type status.
So when would I use this activity type? Is
Like
this
this activity type will be used in the automation section, like you can create more groups and backend the set up the automation, like when you change their status, so their lead will be moved on the group.
I see.
Yes.
So this is not that relevant to kind of keeping track of,
Y- yes,
you know.
it will be like this is status section, it will be used for just for automation purpose.
So maybe these labels are misleading. Could that be it?
Yes, this label showing this like we have received this like item, this lead from here, like through meeting, email, phone call, something. Like this is identify the lead
This is for
section.
identifying needs. Okay.
Yes, like where we, how I can lead in which platform, like through meeting, through phone call, through email, something.
So this is about like how do I can I change the words activity type then? Because that's confusing me.
You can change if you want to delete and change. Click a note section and add label section and delete. If you want to delete someone, so here the three dot section and you can let's check one deactivate label.
So this should really say lead source. Is that, am I right?
Yes,
So how do I change the word activity type to lead
go
source?
go back in the board section and no change their name here. Here. Yes.
So this should say lead source.
Yes, lead source. And you can delete like note section because note it is not lead source.
So could you say that one more time?
Yes, I am asking you, I am talking with you like you have put the note section in the lead source section. So you should delete this note. Yes, select this and go edit label. No, go back.
Sorry.
Like select the note and select edit label and delete note section. This note. Maybe you are not admin of this account, so you can just okay, you cannot delete it. Okay, skip this one.
Uh, so if his lead source was he was a referral,
Hmm.
which is true for this case,
Yes.
I would pick referral. And then in activities, what I would see on this screen here is, his where he originally came from.
Can you repeat again?
Um, what information is the most valuable information to put on this screen?
Like here is
Um,
the true information, important information. This like name and owner, uh, and date, status, related item, and contact information. This is all important. Even the status, this lead status shows like this is done. This is complete lead.
What about if I want to use it so that when we're in the activities, if I want to set myself a reminder or like the next thing to do, after this note, is like, okay, follow up again on Wednesday. Would that
Mhm.
normally go inside this activity tab?
Yes, you can send him through email. Like you should do prepare an email template and send him bulk 500 at a time for reminder purpose. If you want to send a single person, so you can send him a message
It's
through
more to
chat,
send.
through
It's more to
email.
set. Yeah, no, it's more to when I look at him, I can see. Okay, I said, I can set myself like an alarm. I've got to contact Josh on next Wednesday is to follow up. I think when we looked at one of the other boards just now, it had that kind of information. I don't know if it was in the
You
deals section.
you can use automation here.
Yeah, no, that's maybe it was in accounts, contacts. Yeah, last interaction, next follow up. Should this be in contacts or should it be in this is how I don't really know how to use it. Should I have this information? It seems like these three screens are all they're all the same. Uh, when you expand somebody, I think they should.
Here you need to put manually like when you will send him follow-up message and your was last interaction with this person. You need to manually.
And I do that inside of the contacts tab or inside of the activities tab.
Activity types.
Activity, this one, right?
Yes.
So when I look at these leads over here, that to me
Maybe yes. Listen, just one listen. Like this last one is the funnel. Go back. I want to share you clarify like the first is the contact section like when new person land in the contact section then it will be moved in the deal section after deal then it will move in the activity around like funnel activities like this is your client for potential client.
Okay,
I
so
don't. By the way,
activities.
can you describe in which purpose you are using this system?
Sure, sure, I can. So we're in the middle of raising like a finance round, and all of
Mm,
these people are investors, either existing investors in our business or future investors in our business. So we have like, if I had to break them down, thought I had it. So maybe it's in deals. Yeah, in deals, I've got, this list here. These
mm,
invested, these are my existing investors.
mm,
This one down here is like a lead. They're like somebody I've met who they're a new target for me to close into becoming an investor in our next round of financing.
mm.
Does that make sense?
Yes, I understand. So this is like a proper follow-up system. Like when you reach someone investor, so their information will be saved in the contact section. So after contact, you will contact like an investor person, like you are interested in our like program. So if he confirm like yes, I am interested, so like it will be moved in the deal section. You can transfer it to deal section. So after the deal, when deal close,
Yeah.
this person invested, then it will be moved in the last one activity section.
So
And
I set up those automations so that if I change this to invested,
mm,
it should automate and go. No, it's not that one. If I change this one to like invested one, it goes
mhm,
into this group down here, and this will then show, or it should move.
mhm.
So this one, I don't know why it didn't.
Yes, perfectly. So after the complete this follow-up process, workflow process, then it will move on the activity section. So in activity board, you can send him follow-up message. You can send him like the last instruction and next upcoming follow-up.
So this is the company, and this is the one of the contacts there.
Mm-hmm.
So when I click on that, this is I'm now inside of deals, or am I now inside of activities?
Like here you can check out like this name is Andrew and deal like Profluence. This is preference deals like company name, influence, file name, etc. So here is the communication purpose, like where you can see no result were found. It's mean you have not chat this person, and their chat will be show here.
Hmm.
When you start chatting with this person, so their chat will be show here.
In the case of this one, because
Hmm.
that one I don't know this, but this one I know that I sent him an email yesterday. Why
Hmm.
does it not show up here? Because I'm
You,
using I'm using the I'm using the BCC field
hmm.
to keep track of communications. Um, but I feel it's not picking it up. Uh, I just emailed this guy today. Uh, this guy I email all the time.
Yes,
Uh,
when you send him email, SMS message, so then their record will be shown here in their activity section.
no, but I don't think it's working. Uh, like this activity, I don't understand this. It's this is not the person. Why does it? I don't know if this is my colleague put in the words email. Like if this person is like, that's their name, Josh Kamita. But here in
Mm-hmm.
this activity field, it says Josh Kamita dash email. I don't know why it says email.
Yes, its mean is that like here your follow like your team member put their names, okay, just for random purpose. And next is email. It's mean he get this lead through email. And in the related item, like he select like already their record is available in the deal section.
So are you saying this word email is manual or automated?
It's a manual. He put this information through manual.
I that's so strange. I really don't think so.
You can talk with your colleague and get information like why you are using this and what is the purpose of this board.
Well, I mean, that's why I need your help because I'm saying we're not using this properly. We need to use it like this because this doesn't seem right to me. Um, and I want to kind of tell them how to use it.
This is like in the activities board. This is simple like first activities like person name, then lead source like where you have found this investor, then owner like start date, end date, then their
What is
status
what is
like
what is the start and end date?
it's mean when he like start share this person and end contract of this person like invested per purpose.
Yeah,
Even you can check out like their status is done. It's mean completed their.
hmm. So in terms of seeing the history, like of this one is uh, I don't see where any of the history is with these people. Uh,
Like you
like if you
can
see, like look, this is this
locate
this is this to me says there's 19 messages.
message.
It has a
Yes,
record.
yes.
When I
Click here in the message section. So read more. Like here, this
why
person
does it
filtered this. So clear the filter, then you will be able to read their all 90 messages.
okay, so that's so confusing. When you open this contact page, I'm
Mhm.
I'm expecting to see it's filtered it again.
Yes. This
Why is
person filter this like uh, internal note will be show here.
I really don't think so. I mean, if maybe I did it by mistake, but like, how do I get rid of this filter?
Like you want to remove this filter.
Yeah, so it's like so that I can see
Click
everything
filter. Yes, click the filter and setting section.
here.
Yes. So in the setting, when email activity settings, go back like bottom. Okay. Their filter no has been removed.
Well, let's go back because we just removed that one. So this one, it's back.
You want to like delete all member filters.
Yeah, there should be no filters.
Mhm. Then I don't know, maybe he's using any automation Maybe he has used by manually filter of each person.
No, there's no way. We're not that sophisticated. If we did it, it was by mistake. It's just how do we change it? What I really want
Mhm.
is to optimize the whole system so that there's a workflow that we understand and that makes sense, and we're using the tool correctly.
Mhm.
These automations, when try to change caution, move item. But you don't know how to clear this filter.
Yes.
Okay, well, listen, I have my meeting started. It was very helpful to get your advice. Will you send me an invoice so I can pay you for your time?
Yes, if you want to pay me something, so that will be is happy.
Yes, I will.
Yes, how much you pay me so I can send you offer, and after the end you can share a positive feedback about our experience.
You quoted $50 an hour? Is that for this type of work?
Yes, okay, I'm sending you just $25. Okay.
That's fine. But will you
Okay.
be available to me to help me with future like troubleshooting?
Yes, next time when you need any help, so you just drop a message, then we will conduct again Zoom call, and
Okay.
I will consult you.
All right. Thanks for your help.
Okay, nice to talk to you, Charlie. Thank
Nice to
you.
talk to you. Bye bye.
Bye bye, take care.